Hi, this is Tim Bryan with Bryan's Business Umbrella, a national virtual business advisory firm working in the cloud but physically located in Buffalo, New York. And our firm helps my business partners by offering valuable strategic solutions to their unique needs via back office platforms such as small business controllership, accounting, payroll, tax planning, strategic pricing, and the like. And also, I am a newly minted #1 best-selling author for my book, Designing a Better Business, an entrepreneurial guide to navigate from startup to sustained growth. And the two categories that I hit #1 in was small business, and the second one was starting a business, which is going to be the topic of this podcast episode number 8, which will be starting a business / direct marketing. Now, direct marketing sometimes gets a bad rap, but that's incorrect, because that's really a pyramid scheme run by unsavory individuals who are taking advantage and it's not direct marketing at all. But it gets lumped into that. Direct marketing is where a company has a tangible, physical product that any consumer can purchase, but instead of going through the traditional advertising route, they use independent contractors to spread the word and sell the product for them. So they get the benefit of not having to pay the exorbitant advertising costs for TV, radio spots, etc. And all they have is a warehouse that they ship stuff from. And the independent contractor, we'll say myself, has the opportunity to start their own business. I purchase and use the product, and then I share my experiences with other people who can either just purchase the product on the retail end, or they can also become their own business and start a team of like-minded individuals trying to succeed and run their own business. Being in the accounting field and starting businesses, and my niche being with contractors and architects, landscapers. We'll talk about landscaping. If you want to start that business, even if you were just cutting grass, you need at least equipment, you need at least a lawnmower, and the client probably wants you to clean up afterwards, so probably a leaf blower, or to clean up the scrap afterwards. So a lawnmower, if you're going to get a good one, has to be at least from the clients I have, I'm talking in the $1,000 range before you even start anything. So now you have to look at financing, unless you borrowed money. The point is, you need money to make money, and depending on the industry you go into, you're going to have equipment costs, you're going to have inventory costs, which leads to storage costs, and so in any industry there's a lot of money and items to consider to what's needed to start the business. However, with direct marketing, you're purchasing the product. So another complaint about direct marketing is, well, every month I have to order the same thing. Well, if you're in the right industry, you've picked a product that you want, and you're going to use it anyway. So in my case, besides my accounting, which is my first love and what I do first and foremost, I also have supplemental income that comes in through direct marketing, which I picked My Daily Choice, and they have a sister product. It's all in the same category for CBD products through HempWorks. And so if I have to make a purchase to stay qualified to receive commission, and with the product cost and shipping from their warehouse to my address. It's $75 a month times 12 is $900 to stay in business. They have only a one-time website setup fee, which is $20. So for $920 the first year, I'm in business. I get products shipped to my house, and now I can run this business any way I want to. I can be as active or inactive as I want to. My goal is to just share my experience. It can be through Facebook, social media, stuff that costs nothing. You can go to home shows. You can do whatever you want with this to grow it, but the minimum that you're going to have, and is going to be the $920. But then after that, it's how you decide to run your business, and how you want to get your word out to other people to either buy or become independent contractors under you. And then you get paid on their activity, but you're growing a team. Everyone's in it together. Everyone wants to see each other succeed. Because unlike other stuff, if someone's underneath you and they're succeeding, then you're succeeding because the money flows up. As far as the commissions go, you get paid based on what your team is doing, as well as your direct sales. And at some point, you can switch it from, if you have a big enough, strong enough support system underneath you, and you've helped all these other people become successful, then you can switch gears, because the theory behind it is it's a product that everyone's going to order each and every month. So you're getting residual income. Then you can start just becoming a consultant and teaching other people how to become successful in the business. And with that, when you're in such a business, they have trainings every week that you can go to or not go to. It's by phone, so you're not traveling. They do have an annual conference. Like I said, you don't collect payment. You don't have inventory. You don't have storage costs. All you're doing is getting someone interested. You get a yes or no. You give them the link to your affiliate website. They order directly from the company. The company ships it directly to them, and you get your credit via the compensation plan for the sale. And again, if you need supplemental income, or sometimes different industries, the economy is going good, but they claim it's going to take a downturn, or if you're just unhappy with your job and you want to try something different, direct marketing is a good way to start a business with there's low barriers to entry. There's low cost to start. Like I said, in my example, $920 for the entire year will keep you up and running and to collect commission on any activity that you do. Again, if you did want to go to my website and check it out, on the top it'll say "Welcome to Timothy Bryan's website," and by the way, this huge industry. It's CBD right now is like an $8 billion a year industry. So that lends credence to the fact that it's got tangible, real products that they're selling. And they estimate by 2022, it'll be a $22 billion a year industry. And I am affiliated with the best in the market, HempWorks. And the website, if you did want to check it out, I highly recommend it. Like I said, $20, and you have for the websites, $20 gets you 20 different websites that you can share. It's too much for me to go into on this podcast, but they have training every week. It's absolutely free. Everyone wants to help each other because like I said, if you're succeeding, then your upline's succeeding. If you help people succeed that are beneath you, then as they succeed, you succeed. It's truly everyone, the quote-unquote critics call it a pyramid when it's actually the exact opposite. You're helping people. It's giver's gain. You're helping people, then you get something. That's the way the world's supposed to work, right? So anyway, my website, if you wanted to check out the HempWorks and the CBD products that we have, it's www.hempothy12. So that's numbers, the number 12, BRIEN. So HempWorks with an X.com /Timothy12Bryan. Hopefully you'll check it out. It's a great business to get into, especially if you have limited funds to start. So like, as I mentioned, that was an annual fee. So the first month, if you place a $75 order, $20 one time, again, that's a one-time fee, the $20. So that's $95 to start, $75 a month after that. And then it's whatever time that you want to invest to become as active or inactive as you want to be. It's a great solution. And then, again, thank you for listening to my podcast. No value added, and that, of course, is wrong, because right here is as much value as you're going to get out there from a #1 best-selling and starting your own business author. I appreciate your time, and have a great day.